Okay, so today's kind of a working day.
We got things to get straightened up.
Yep. So we get some organizing done. We're going to make a run to the storage unit.
Yes.
But before we get into all that, welcome to the channel.
Yeah. Hey, good morning.
Yeah, appreciate you being here. Amy and David with 2X Gen. We're going to take you along today with some kind of behind the scenes, just work. It's part of running a business.
And since we no longer have a big warehouse and we have to go between two places, our basement and the storage unit. So we're going to straighten up the storage unit today, straighten up the basement, so we can get ready for a great week of selling. Let's go.
All right, there's Luce.
There's Luce. And Lexi's over here because I have a tissue in my hand and she thinks she needs to eat it. If you have a dog that eats tissues, comment about that because she likes to eat tissues. Do you like to eat tissues?
Is that right, Lex?
Sit. Oh, she's going to be a good girl and give me kisses. Not me, she says. Carry those main lines and lay them out on the tables, the ones that are under in those boxes, just so we can see what we have.
In the warehouse?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to, because we have those tables on that side, so I'm hoping we can lay them out and see what we have.
So you want all those main lines upstairs in the car? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. What else do we need to do?
We're taking these boxes back.
Yep.
And the trash.
And the trash. Okay. Is this everything we need to load up?
Yep.
All right. And you got everything packed up from?
Yeah, it's right here.
Wow. Yep.
Look how.
Ready for the post office.
Can we talk about how organized my packing station is right now?
Oh, let's look at that.
And look how pretty that is.
Boxes. Got the bubble wrap all ready to go.
Boxes all ready to go.
Boxes
I have a
ready to
list
go.
of boxes to grab from the storage to be able to fill my shelves. And I'm going to fill up my protector shelves and see what we need to order.
Yeah, it's all about, you know, making the most of the space you have. Yes, when we had the warehouse, it was great. Had a ton of room.
We did.
But we're able to make this space work.
It works great for me.
Yeah, probably this packing station is probably even a little more efficient than.
And since it's only
before.
one person packing, it makes a big difference. I don't have to have as much room.
Yes.
Sometimes we had me and T packing at the other station, so.
Okay, so let's get this all loaded up and head to the warehouse. Okay, got the car loaded up with the stuffs. I'm out of breath. Okay, so we're going to bring a light as well. Portable battery operated lights. I think it lasts for about 2 hours.
I hope so.
But the warehouse doesn't have a lot of great lighting.
And there's no electricity in our.
No outlets.
No outlets.
So, okay, let's pop over there.
Let's go.
Okay, we dropped the trash off. Closing the garage door. Time to load up. And get up to the storage unit. See how much I can do one-handed. I'll get the light. Doing good. Good work.
I got muscles.
Should we use 2 carts?
You know me.
Make it work in one trip.
This can go inside here. Oh, that might be sketch. There he goes. He's leaving me. He's not. He's gonna park. That way if other people come, because we're gonna take a little bit of time, but that way when other people come, they can get in and out of here. That's a little loud, huh? Here he comes. Look how cute he is. What a handsome man I have. Hopefully you weren't saying bad things about me because I was recording. Getting ourselves into the elevator.
All right.
Wow, that's really close on you. Hi. It's normally on me, so this is great. We're on the second floor. David's drinking. Let's show him your drink. Tell him about it.
It's no caffeine, no sugars, ketones, brain power,
Yeah.
energy.
Let's show it one more time. That's it. And they have different flavors. He really likes it.
Yes, I do.
So here, it's all digital, which is nice, I guess. Sometimes my phone doesn't have a signal. Woo, not fun when that happens. Tap it, unlock. Watch, it's gonna turn green. I can get
We're in.
All right, open it up, mister. I gotta take off my sweater. Woo, it's hot. I can't even tell if I'm recording. Here you go.
Ooh, lights are so bright in here.
Wow, look at that
Actually,
mess.
it's not that bad. Okay, looks like we got some work to do.
I do. I was gonna bring a hair tie and I forgot. It's in the car.
So we did another video where we came, but here's just some of our extra supplies, tape, protectors.
And it's gotten to be a mess.
Yes, boxes, a lot of totes, but mainly boxes and bubble wrap. Who knows what else is back here? Tables that we're going to use.
Boxes that I've been waiting for David to come to help me put them back on top because I'm not quite tall enough.
The priority boxes.
No, all these boxes need put on our top shelves.
Oh, okay. Okay, what do you want me to do?
So we are going to
Give me a
get
job.
empty boxes back up on top, which we have.
Okay, I'll let you do that.
Well, I can't put them up there.
Okay.
That's the problem. But I'm going to try to get them all.
Yeah, if you organize how you want them, stack them, then I'll.
I think I have some of that size over there.
Okay. What's a different task I can do?
Clear this off because we need to put that grid wall back behind. Not fun, but we got to.
These are the ones we wholesale.
We do wholesale them, and I had somebody supposed to come get them, and they haven't, so we like to give out, for Halloween, we like to give out.
Yeah, I don't know if we're doing it this year or not.
I think we might, but I'm not going to do candy, I'm just going to do them. Just them. I have to get these boxes to go with those boxes.
Well, let's
It might
do
take-
this first.
Yeah, it might take both of us to be able to get those grid walls back in there. Because they're like, some of them fit in 2 pieces, some of them not.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm going to pull these boxes forward too. Where your feet are. Okay. You got hot too? Woo.
It's worth having the warehouse.
It is worth having the warehouse when we're trying to figure out stuff like this.
Work with what you have.
Because we'll have to put it back in it.
Put this back on this table, right?
No, because I'm going to put main lines that we brought on these tables. So all the stuff that was sitting here for my wholesale guy, I might end up putting back there. These are 18 by 12 by 6 that go in here. But I'm thinking we could put them on top of these.
What's that one? Oh, these?
Yeah, and then
These don't fit inside there? Or
They
that's
might.
probably too big.
but it would be heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Heavy.
Heavy.
Heavy.
I don't know how strong I am. Oh, God.
Strong. And us little people.
I told you. Look at that.
Look at us.
Brute strength.
Everybody want to see me on my tippy toes? Because that's what was just happening.
What are we looking for?
What?
Well, that's
Oh,
what the box
what's in
says. Guess we should always check. Yeah. Slimline. It's the new Slimline.
Sketch.
Do we need any of these? Oh, these are the
We probably need to change them.
new
They're the new.
2.0s that are the kind of the reverse. Reverse, does that make sense?
We need to change the listing or add that listing.
Those are great for, let me show them. So these are great for packing or shipping or storage because it is recessed there. So when you stack it like that, it takes up less space and is a little more stable. So they're great for packing and storage. And we're laying them out just to figure out what we have.
Because some of them we have multiples of, and we just don't even know what we have. Because they're in boxes. We don't like to have things in boxes.
Okay, I'm with you. You can't sell it if it's in a box.
Right, you.
Yep. Okay, you just want me to set these out?
Yes. If you set them out, then we can go through and pick out some for a show.
So the Porsches we'll put in our Porsche bin.
It is at the house. I decided I was going to leave it there so I don't have to come back to count. Yeah, but all the Porsche. I do have a empty Hot Wheel box that we can put them in to take them back. But I mean, if we're taking stuff back in the bin, it's okay.
Should probably keep out the main line to the Supers.
Yes.
It's always nice to pair those together. It's gonna take some time to get this figured out. And if somebody said, do you have any of those?
So I do have a hot case, which you could do the Ferraris in, which would be nice because...
One hot case?
Yep, I have one hot case here. Ooh. That was me, not David.
And then we could do, the different types of Ferraris and the different...
Yep. All right, I'm going to go back through.
Do you want to put them like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're wrapping up. Do a little inventory check on boxes to see what we need to order. But it looks much better in here.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'm in love.
We
Happy.
should done a before and after picture.
Well, I thought when we came in, they probably saw what it
It
looked
was.
like.
That
was bad.
So there we go. Looks a little bit better.
Yep.
Got some of the main lines out that we need. We can come and pick some out for our shows.
But what they probably need to know is this is very close to our house. Not even 5 minutes, so.
Yes. Yeah, so it's very convenient to get here. Okay, so
Those are
what do we
all
need?
wholesale mainline ones. Isn't that great?
That's your wholesale shelves?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So I'm going to go to notes since I didn't bring a pen. And I'm going to make myself a thing.
So we get our boxes. We've talked about this in other videos. Again, wholesale. They deliver. They've changed up a little bit. I think it's Imperial Date is what they've changed. Classic Solutions. But they need a little more lead time to get in the boxes. They don't have them at the warehouse here in Columbus. So you got to put in the order and then they get it in a couple weeks. So before it was a couple days. Requires us to plan a little bit more. Do have another local, smaller mom and pop place. that is able to get things here within days, but they cost a little bit more. Probably roughly 5 to 7 cents per box more.
But when you're buying a gazillion boxes, it makes a
Yes.
difference.
So it becomes an issue when you're buying in bulk like we are. So
I'm like, I might as well do this one because I only have 2. I'm gonna put that one in there.
what is it? What size?
12 by 8 by 6. It's not one I use a lot, but I only have 2, and I don't want to have to place an order just because.
Probably our number one box, so not probably, is the 9 by 6 by 4. What else do we use? We use 12 by 6 by 4s.
And 12 by 8 by 6.
12 by 8 by 6.
9 by 6 by 6.
Yeah, that's another popular one.
9 by 6 by 9.
Is another popular one. The 9 bys are the ones we use the most.
And then
There's
I
some
have
more
bigger
back
ones.
there.
I have 10 by 8 by 8. I have the priority boxes. And then under the tables are the great big ones.
Yes, we got the bigger ones
And then
under there.
I'm
The
not
12
sure
buys.
what your thoughts are on ordering protectors.
That one's an 18 by 12 by 6.
We're probably okay for a little bit because they come pretty fast.
Yes.
But yeah.
We're out of the Todd protectors.
Oh no.
And we're getting low on
Mainline.
mainline diamond protectors.
And we have about the same amount of mainline as we do premiums, probably.
Okay. So I think that's a wrap for here.
I feel so much better. It's like, whew.
I think it might be a wrap for the video. Is there anything else we need to do?
I don't think so.
So we can close it out?
Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all those great things. Come back and see us. We're trying to get a couple videos out a week.
Yep. Yeah, at least one, maybe 2.
I said a couple.
That's right. Yeah, so today was just about a little bit of behind the scenes work stuff we got to do to set up for the week. So
Yep. So thank you everybody for being here. Bye.